Welcome to this short install video brought to you by the friendly folks at Pfister. Here, we will demonstrate how to replace your OX8 valve body and cartridge for your Pfister shower. To start, shut off the water supply. Remove the on-off shower handle from the trim. If your shower features secure fit, simply hold the handle in place and unscrew the base until the handle can be removed completely. If your shower features quick trim, locate the set screw at the bottom of the handle and loosen it with a 3/32 Allen wrench. Then pull the handle straight off. Now, unthread the retainer washer and remove it along with the retainer sleeve. Remove the flange from the wall. Note, if there is sealant or caulking around the outside edge of the flange, carefully use a razor blade to cut the sealant so you can remove the flange from the wall. Use a pair of pliers to remove the brass or plastic adapter nut by grabbing the edge of the adapter nut and rotating counterclockwise. Remove the extension stem by loosening the screw with a Phillips screwdriver and pulling it off. Next, remove the metal bracket by removing the 4 screws located on each corner. Pull the cartridge out from the valve. You may need to twist or turn it a bit to unseat it before you can pull it out. Once removed, inspect the cavity and remove any pieces or O-rings left inside. Inspect the existing cartridge for a white adapter at the end. If present, proceed with the installation. If no white adapter is present on your old cartridge, be sure to also remove the white adapter from the new cartridge before you insert it into the valve. Rotate your new cartridge so that the side with the 3 notches is facing down. Now, place the cartridge into the valve and let it rest. Do not force it into the valve. Reinstall the metal bracket by evenly tightening the 4 screws on the corners in a crisscross pattern. Use your fingers to pry the colored stop off the cartridge and rotate it to either the A or B setting etched onto the stop. The default setting from the factory is warm position B, but you can change this to the cooler setting, position C, or the hotter setting, position A. If you would like your hot water to be even hotter, you need to dial up the temperature setting on your water heater. Replace the extension stem onto the cartridge and tighten the screw with the Phillips screwdriver. Thread the adapter nut back onto the valve and use your pliers to grip the edge of the nut and tighten. Temporarily place the handle onto the cartridge and rotate it clockwise to the off position. Then, turn on the water supply to check for leaks. If no leaks are detected, turn the water supply off and remove the handle from the cartridge. For showers featuring secure fit, place the flange back onto the wall. The Pfister logo should be positioned at the top. Then, screw on the on-off handle until tight. For showers featuring quick trim, reinstall the flange, then thread on the retainer sleeve to secure the flange. Reinstall the extension stem onto the cartridge and tighten the screw with the Phillips screwdriver. Now, place the on-off handle onto the cartridge stem and tighten the set screw. Reapply sealant or caulking around the outside of the flange if desired. Great job! Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, visit our website at pfister.com or give us a call at 1-800-FAUCET.